Okay, we're busy with activity 19 and specifically the debtors ledger of Yellow Boathouse, the business. And the debtors are people that owes money to us. So Zanele Maloi is the account, debtor number 3. And okay, remember this column comes down and this is the debit side. So that's a plus, that's a minus. It means assets increase on the debit side, debtors increase on this side, and on that side debtors decrease. Okay, so just explaining through the account before we look at the information or where we get the numbers. This says Zanele Maloi is a debtor, she owes us money. Beginning of the month she owed us 14,000. Then on the 2nd she bought from us through the DJ. We used the information from invoice 893 and increases her account with 8,000 Rand to owe us 22,000 Rand. Then on the 10th she bought again another 7,000 Rand worth of goods from us, and now she owes us 29,000 at the end of the month. So that's what happened to Zanele Maloi. So this is a statement that you sent out to Zanele Maloi. If you are Zanele Maloi, you will get a statement from Yellow Boathouse showing what happens in the month in the account, because when you get the account you know how much is outstanding and when did you do business with the business called Yellow Boathouse. Okay, so now we're going to look where do we get the individual amounts. So where do we get the individual amounts? Okay, so firstly, as I said, we're busy with activity number 19. And where do I get Zanele Maloi's information? Okay, this was given on page 53. That was a balancing figure. How do I know that was 14,000 Rand? It's because on the previous page it said that all the debtors was on the beginning of the month was 39,100. So there were 3 debtors. Zanele Maloi was one of them. So that was a balancing figure to get to the 39,100. Okay, so that's the opening balance, 14,320. There is the 14,320. Then, okay, so I have to look for Zanele Maloi's name, and in my journals that I've got, I see Zanele Maloi's name on the 2nd and again on the 10th. I don't see it anywhere else. I also don't see it in the CRJ cash receipts journal where she's paying. Okay, so the first transaction is on the 2nd. Okay, debtor number 3, 8055. So she bought from us. So there's the 8055. She owed 14,000 in the beginning of the month. She bought another 8,000. Now she owes 22,000. Then I look for Zanele Maloi's name again. I see it on the 10th, 7480, and I add the 7480 and 22,000 plus the 7480 gives me 29,000. So at the end of the month she owes us 29,000. Why did we add it to the left hand side or debit side? Because on the debit side of an asset it increases the account. So the 14,000 plus the 8055 gives me the 22,000 and so forth. So that was Zanele Maloi, activity 19, general ledger account.